Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo Cooking's Puffy Dogs made in the pie maker. I've got one piece of puff pastry here. I've just cut it in half. I'm going to put 3 little cocktail Frankfurts on it and roll it up. Like so. Pinch the ends shut, like so. It's wet so it'll stick to itself, like a little bonbon. And then we're going to cut it in half, right down the center. And this is what you should have. Now we're going to pop those into the pie maker like that, and they're going to get really, really crispy, and then you can fill them up with tomato sauce and just eat them like a little handful. And they're going to be absolutely delicious. Very economical, very easy to do, great at kids' parties. Okay, on with the next one. You could use cabanossi, cabana, just little pork chipolatas if you like. You don't have to use little hot dogs if you don't want to. They're very, very simple to do. They look very effective. They come out like a little flower when they're finished. I just pinch that all together, and that will stop the sauce. Let's pinch down tight. It'll stop the sauce from running out. You could even brush it with some mustard if you want to. And that's a great little after-school snack for the kids. Into the pie maker we go. Okay, we've just preheated the pie oven. Now we're just going to pop our little puffy dogs in there and press them down a little bit. They will brown on the top, probably lose their shape a little bit and they get squashed down. Brown on the top, and then you can just squirt your tomato sauce or your mustard or whatever you're having with them inside there. Just push the lid down, about 5 to 8 minutes, and they should be ready. Okay, after about 5 or so minutes, this is what you should have, and don't they look sweet? Just take them out and pop them onto a plate. They'll stand up all by themselves because they've been forced into that shape. And don't be tempted to wrap the pastry around little hot dogs because it won't cook in the middle. And there you have it, Cheeky Richo Cooking's pie maker Puffy Dogs. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richo Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. They look like the top on a coconut, don't they? Very, very hot though, but they're just a good bite size for your footy game or when the kids come home from school. Thanks for watching. Okay, pie maker does it again. They've just cooled down a little bit now. We're just going to get one. See how they're nice and brown on the bottom? And just drop it into our sauce and have a bite. And there you have it, Cheeky Richo's little puffy dogs made in the pie maker. Thanks for watching. Screaming hot. Nice and crispy on the outside, and the little hot dogs inside are perfectly cooked. Yummo.